Hey guys, it is Adam and welcome back to my channel. So we had a very not good like because I did not like Bangalore, but I actually went there for some bank work and then my bank was all. Oh, you guys know that you can go and see my vlog. So I've got a few things from there which I couldn't show you guys because my phone always is out of storage or out of battery. So in this video, I am going to be showing you guys all the things that I got from Bangalore for very cheap. And if you are planning to go to Bangalore, you could, and if you like any of these things, you know where to get these from. So without wasting time, let's get into the shopping spree haul, if that is what it is called. Let's get into it. First things first, the first ever thing that I got from Bangalore is this charm. So you might have seen Instagram on your For You page that uh, Bangalore had these where you get to pick your charms. They'll make it into a bracelet or whatever. And I wanted it as a phone charm, and I got four charms. So this was one charm for 40 rupees each, and I got this from Church Street. So I got a paw for my dogs, and then I got a Jesus, I mean a cross for Jesus, and then I got a zodiac sign that was random, and then I got fries because I love McDonald's. So I just wanted to not have random charms and I wanted my charms to have meaning. So the first thing I got is this phone charm which I flex now everywhere. And this was for 40 rupees each, so 40, 40, 40, 40. 160, it became 160 for the charm, including all this thing. So all this, you just pick your charm and give it to him, and the uncle will make it into whatever you want, and then he'll give it back to you. So this costed me around 160 rupees, and um, I don't really wear bracelets or necklaces, so I didn't want it in that form. So, anyways, phone I always carry, so I could, even if I'm chaining my phone, I could use this charm somewhere else. So I thought charm was ideally more practical to get. So that is why I got this. So first thing I got was this charm. Okay, yeah. Moving on, the second thing I got is, you guys know, right? I went to Bangalore first day. As soon as I got down and started walking, my sandals broke. Like, first of all, those sandals, if you have not seen the vlog, they were old and it is not even mine. It was my auntie's. I don't even have shoes. I robbed my auntie's grandma's mom's sandals. I don't have my own. So that is why I decided that, you know what, in Bangalore, I am getting shoes. And I'm so smart that I only took slippers and went to Bangalore, which broke. And I did not think like later if I have to go out, what will I do? I knew somewhere I would shop, but yeah, for emergency, I didn't even have any extra pair. So I got these flats from a local shop for rupees 250, and these are really very comfortable and I could use them for everyday use. Like if I'm going to church and all, it is ideal for any clothes that you wear because it's black and it's just like pointy heels. I don't like open sandals because my toes look really bad. So I got these for 250 rupees, and for daily use, and I think these are pretty nice for 250. So second thing I got is these, and then I got another pair of heels because I didn't have anything. Yeah, that was my shoes. I didn't have anything to wear while going to the party and all. So that is why I got heels, and I am in love with these heels. These heels are for rupees 750, and I had slippers. Like I got ready for the party in slippers, searched which is the shoe shop that is open, went there, bought the heels, slippers I kept outside the club and wore these heels and went to the party. But these are the heels that I got. This is the size of the heels, and these are really good quality for 750 rupees. Also, it was not fitting me. I don't know what the uncle did. He did something with the shoes, and then he's like, मैं fit करवा के देता हूँ, and then he did something magic and then it started fitting me perfectly. And I was like, you know what, heels, I can walk. Like, I've worn heels bigger than this. But that day, I don't know how I walked. Maybe because I was too much. I walked. Next day, sober me, couldn't even stand in the heels. Every 5 seconds I'm complaining, I can't walk, I can't walk. But then yeah, I got these heels, and I got this in this color because I already have a black and a white heel, and I feel like these are very bold heels. If I'm wearing a full black outfit, it's going to look bomb. And also I didn't have color options because these were the only heels that were I liked there for 750. Other all were 1700. I didn't uh, think it was right to pay so much just to wear heels once to go to the party. So that is why I chose these heels, and these heels fit me perfectly. And these are for 750 rupees, and I really, really like them, and they look so classy. Like, look at these points. I love heels that look like this. Yeah. Okay, so those were the things. Now, rest of the things are like small, small, chickeny pitty things that I got. I did not really shop clothes. I just got one jeans. I don't remember the place. I'll mention the place. But I got these gray mom fit. I don't know what fit these are. But I got these gray cargo jeans, and these are not like gray, they have black gray. I really love the color. I don't have anything which is like this. That is why I got it. Also, the size and all fits me perfectly. Like, I tried this method, and I knew the size would fit me perfectly. When it comes to the quality also is nice. It has 6 pockets where you can store your stuff like lipstick and all, and these were only for rupees 650. I will attach a video here to show how the sandals look like, to show how the jeans look like. But yeah, these I got for rupees, this pair of jeans I got for rupees 650, and I thought it would really go well with the bonkers t-shirt that I got. So yeah, fourth purchase was the jeans for 650 rupees, and again this was also I think worth it because when you touch the material it doesn't feel cheap at all. So I think yeah, this was another thing that I got. Okay, moving on. Other things are all fancy items. So I was telling you guys I got 3 earrings, right? I got 3 earrings for rupees 100, and these are those earrings. Okay, so the first earrings that I got are these, the Kylie Jenner ones. I think I bought these on Meesho, but I gave it back because they were defective. And in Bangalore, I found these earrings a lot. Like, you had them even in different other colors, but I stuck to the gold one because gold is like standard in itself. So this, so this is one of the earring that I got, and these really look nice. I did wear this when I wore the white outfit. If you've not seen the vlog, it's in my vlog. So this is the earring that I wore, and apart from this, I also got my cherry cola earrings. I remember telling you guys that I searched for this on Meesho. I placed an order, but they were out of stock. But I found these in Bangalore, and I got them. And these are the viral cherry cola earrings, which are also in a great quality. The color is not gone. Everything is perfect. They had small cherries also, big cherries also, but like I got the medium ones. And yeah, this is another thing that I got. And the third earring that I got was this golden simple hoop. Like, I love hoops, and this has like a wire finish, like, not, it's not like plain hoop, it is like texture here like wire. So that is why I got it. So in total I got these 3 earrings for 100 rupees, and there were a lot of earrings you could choose from, but I thought these three were like staple pieces, and for 100 rupees I this was definitely a steal. This was my most favorite purchase that I got from there. And then I got a clip for 20 rupees. This was for my sister, and I did not give it to her yet. Like, I told her I have to make a video later, I'll give. But yeah, this was a claw clip that I got, and my sister loves claw clip. And for some weird reason, she has a way of wearing a claw clip that looks very nice on her. That is why I got her a claw clip so that she doesn't rob mine, and like mostly I rob hers. But yeah, this is for her. I got. but I think 20 rupees. I didn't even ask the rate. This was on the third day I got, where like the place where we were staying there, only nearby there were like small shops, so I got it from there. And from the same shop, these earrings I did get from Church Street itself, and this clock clip I got from the place where we were staying in the last day. And from that same place I got three pretty scrunchies. Now my sister loves scrunchies, okay, like I don't know why, and she loves scrunchie. She has this way. She doesn't wear scrunchie like normally. She makes a hairband and she wears it like this. I don't know, like something like this, and it looks so cute on her that I was like, let me just get her something. So I got her these scrunchies. I also got her a hat. If you guys have not seen my vlog, I'll put a picture. This is the hat that I got her, and also got the scrunchies. So this is in a yellow color. The material, the quality also is really nice. And this is something with the tickly. And this is one more, just like plain strawberries one. I knew she'd like them, so I got three scrunchies for her. Maybe 20 rupees. I didn't ask the rate. He just told me the total, so I don't know the particular rate. But yeah, I got these scrunchies, which are like huge ass size. And I hate scrunchies. It's three scrunchies I got, not for me. And then last but not the least, I got two earrings for my mom and my aunt. And these are what the jhumkas look like. So let me just open it. For 50 rupees these were. First jhumka I got is this, which is just like a gold thing with like green, what is this called, round thingy. And I thought this would look really nice if they're wearing a sari or a kurta. Like it would go for anything because it is gold. So this is the one that I chose. And apart from this, the other one is this one. It is a little similar, but I love that there's this stone detailing here, which makes it looks nice. Like the stone detailing is big and then the jhumkas are small. So this is also another staple piece. This they could wear with like grand saris and all. So that is why I got it. Uh, Also it is in the color green, but here it has like white stones and they're like bling bling. So yeah, this was not for me again. This is for me and for my mom and my auntie. So I think those were all the things that I got from Bangalore, and I don't feel like I've gotten myself anything like I've gotten myself enough, like I've shopped very less, have bought everything else for my family and not for me. Like I did get things for me, but I also made sure I got like something or the other for my family members, because otherwise they'll be like that. So I got some of the other things. Mostly I got sandals for sandals and muffler, not muffler. I bought monkey cap for my grandfather and sweater. So all those things I bought for them. For me, I didn't really shop much. There were a lot of tops there, but I was very skeptical in getting those because they did not look a very good quality. That is why I went to Bonkers and shopped the Travis Scott t-shirt. But yeah, I thought I would shop there. Seeing all these reels, I was like, oh, Bangalore, Church Street, I'm going to shop this, that. But going there, I didn't really like anything. 2 days, I'm just roaming to shopping streets and not buying anything. And my friends were so mad at me. They're like, you are making us walk, not buying anything. After this, we are not going shopping. So, yeah, that is one thing. I go somewhere, I don't like anything. I'm not shopping, but I still want to walk and see what is there on the road. So, that is it. But yeah, so that is that. But yeah, these are the things that I got from Bangalore, from the street shops. And yeah, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys the things. So yeah, that's it. This was my shopping in Bangalore. All I did was buy this much, and to buy all this, I wasted 3 days roaming three different places. Didn't shop from there. Shopped from a completely different location. But yeah, that is me. So yeah, things I got from Bangalore are these. Bye. I love the heels, by the way. Bye.